Before buying a horse clipper for thick coats, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most clippers claim to handle heavy hair, but real buyers complain about blades overheating, cords getting tangled, or motors burning out mid-clip. Let's fix that. Product number 1, TAK KIT 600W Heavy Duty. First up, the TAK KIT 600W Professional Horse Clippers. This red powerhouse caught my eye because it's built specifically for full-body clipping on large animals with thick winter coats. At $114, it's mid-range but feels like a workhorse. If you want serious cutting power without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It packs a 600W full copper motor spinning at 2800 RPM, which means it slices through dense, matted fur without bogging down. The 6-speed control lets you go slow around sensitive areas like the face and legs, then ramp up for faster passes on the body. Plus, the 16-foot cord gives you real freedom to move around your horse without yanking or tripping. It also comes with an extra set of blades so you're ready if one gets dull. Now, some people complained about the weight. 56 pounds can feel heavy after an hour of clipping. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the solid alloy steel build, which actually helps with balance and reduces vibration. Sure, your arm might tire, but the clipper won't. Just take short breaks and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're clipping multiple horses or dealing with Cushing's disease coats that are notoriously tough. Skip this one if you only clip occasionally or have smaller hands that struggle with heavier tools. For the price and performance, it's a solid value. Product number 2, Andis AGC Super 2 Speed. Now, if the TAK KIT's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Andis 23330 AGC Super is a professional-grade clipper that runs cool and quiet, perfect for skittish horses. At $255, it's a premium pick, but Andis has been in the game for decades and it shows. The included Ultra Edge T blade is extra wide, so you cover more ground per pass. And the 14-foot heavy-duty cord is thick enough to handle barn conditions but flexible enough to avoid tangles. Most importantly, it's noticeably quieter than most clippers, which means less stress for noise-sensitive animals. Now, some people complained about the blade removal process. You have to turn it on to pop the blade off, which feels counterintuitive. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, it's actually faster than unscrewing anything. It's just a learning curve, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you clip regularly, work with anxious horses, or want a tool that lasts years. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only clip a horse once or twice a year. It's pricey, but it's built like a tank. Product number 3, TAK KIT 600W Light version. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. This is another TAK KIT model, same 600W motor and 6-speed control, but priced at $88.66. It's nearly identical to the first one, just slightly lighter at 6.25 pounds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get the same 2800 RPM cutting speed and 16-foot cord, which means the same efficiency on thick coats. The detachable steel blades are just as sharp, and the motor handles full-body clips without stalling. For farms or homesteaders clipping multiple animals, this is a reliable workhorse that won't quit. Now, some people complained about the lack of extra blades in the box. Here's the thing though, you can buy replacement blades separately for under $20 and they're widely available. It's a small trade-off for saving nearly $25 off the first model. This is perfect for you if you want professional power without the premium price. Skip this one if you need a carrying case or extra accessories right out of the box. For pure performance per dollar, this is hard to beat. Product number 4, GDJOB 500W Pro Clippers. Now, if you're clipping on a farm with lots of animals, this next one is built for volume. The GDJOB 500W clippers are lightweight, efficient, and come with a full kit. At $83.60, it's one of the most affordable options here, but don't let the price fool you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 500W motor runs at up to 2400 RPM with 6 speed settings, and the manufacturer claims it can clip 610 horses per hour. The included dual blades, oil, cleaning brush, and even carbon brushes mean you're set for maintenance. The 5.6-meter cord is long enough for most stalls, and the filter over the air intake helps protect the motor from dust. Here's the thing though, the manual specifically says to use cooling spray and take breaks. This isn't a flaw, it's a reminder to clip responsibly. Just follow the care tips and it'll last. This is perfect for you if you're running a small farm or clipping multiple animals weekly. Skip this one if you need ultra-quiet operation or are clipping show horses that require absolute precision. It's a great value for high-volume use. Product number 5, Wahl Max Coat Pro. Finally, the Wahl Pro Animal Max Coat. This black beauty is from a brand with over 100 years in grooming and 20 years focused on animals. At $234, it's up there in price, but it's designed for professionals and serious owners. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's engineered to cut through thick, coarse hair effortlessly, and it runs quietly, ideal for horses that flinch at loud noises. The 10 competition blade is sharp out of the box, and the 9-inch hard case keeps everything protected. Plus, the lightweight design, just 12.96 ounces, reduces hand fatigue during long sessions. Now, some people complained about the cord being shorter than expected. Here's the thing though, at 9 feet it's not the longest, but Wahl assumes you'll use an extension in a barn setting. It's not a deal breaker, just plan accordingly. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, lightweight clipper that delivers show-quality results. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't mind a bit of noise. For performance and brand trust, it's a top-tier choice. So which one should you pick? The TAKKIT models deliver serious power for the price, great for thick coats and frequent use. The Andis is the pro's choice, quiet, durable, and precise. GDJOB offers the best value for high-volume clipping, while Wahl wins for lightweight, quiet performance. Choose based on your horse, your budget, and how often you clip. Thanks for watching. Clip smart.